Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 27 of my tag a day November. For today's tag, I used this stamp set from Verve Stamps. Verve is no longer in business, but the owner of Verve Stamps was Julie Tillman, and she is a designer and artist at Sweet and Sassy Stamps, so you can still find some of her work. But this is my favorite Bible verse, and I just thought it would be fun to put it on a tag that I might keep for myself. So I use this, and it's Matthew 11:28. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. And then I used the Sunny Studio Build-A-Tag 1. And then I used some very old retired Stampin' Up. It was like a little mini kit, and it was called Everything is Rosy. And it's so pretty. I don't know why I haven't used it more. And here is my tag for today. I heat embossed, and I see I missed a little bit, but anyways, I heat embossed that stamp with some copper embossing powder that I bought at the same time as the kit, and that was the first time I think I've ever used it. Really pretty on that dark blue cardstock. The back is just cardstock. I used ribbon that came in that kit, and it's kind of lined with that rose gold, and then you can see like those coppery gold accents on the paper. I thought it turned out really pretty, and I think I definitely will keep it for me. Maybe, I don't know, I might give it away. Anyways, there is day 27. I can't believe that this month is coming to an end soon. This has been so much fun, but I will be continuing to do some tags in the new year. I'm going to have Tag Tuesday, so that's fun and exciting. Anyways, I will let you go, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 28. Have an awesome day and go do something crafty.